Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. It's really nice and bright here today. So today we're gonna make some paper hearts embellishments. Now the thoughts behind this video was to create something for Mother's Day that can be used for like Mother's Day cards, tags, gift boxes, something like small to decorate something else, if you're making sense. Here in the UK, this year Mother's Day is the 19th of March. And funny enough, in Italy, the 19th of March is Father's Day, because it's St. Joseph's Day, which is of course is Joseph and Mary. So we celebrate Father's Day, the 19th of March. But funny enough, here in the UK, Mother's Day this year is the same date. It's fascinating how different countries celebrate different celebrations, different days. I said different about 5 times. Anyway, keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back to the desk. Today we're gonna play with one of my newest kit. Is part of the mini kit, so it's 4 pages. You get 4 of this beautiful design. They are, well, this kit is called Romantic Paints. I'll let you guess why. I created this lovely floral pattern. I don't really know what you can see on the background, but when you print it off, like I can see it in flesh, you got a canvas texture on the background, and then I play with some paints and created these this lovely flowers. So that's one of the background. So as I said, you get 4 pages. One is this, the second page, and I played with the tones of grey, blues. I really like this burgundy, so I'm trying to stay with this color palette. This one is one of my favorite. It's got some brushes, so this looks like flowers. And then I played with some blues and greens on a canvas background texture. Hope you can see through the camera. I'm really hoping so. And then the third page, of course, is some tags. So you just need to fuss cut them and decorate them. I left it quite plain because I wanted you guys to create your own tags. Use this as a base and layer them up. So they are 5 the same size, and 2 are slightly wider and taller. Okay, so those 2 are bigger than those 5. Last is a gift box, which I'm going to make up for you in just a minute, and I'll show you what it looks like. I really like it. I'm obsessed with milk cartons boxes, and that's why there are quite a lot. In a lot of kits I included a gift box with something that you guys have requested, so there you go. Right, I'm gonna make this up, and I'm not gonna do the tags because what we're gonna do today is just create, what I wanted to do is create some heart shape embellishment. Use some of the colorful buttons that I had and layer them, but I haven't got a punch, so I had to use one of my die set. Just gonna use some dice and cut it heart shapes. I'm gonna do this off camera, and then we're gonna put it together because you don't need to see me fussy cut, like the die cutting all these hearts. Okay, fussy cut them all, not fussy cut, the die cut them all. Question for you: I love when I do fussy cutting. Why I keep saying fussy cutting? It's die cutting, Antonio. You know, you ended up with pieces like this. This paper makes me very happy. Do you guys? Is it just me that needs to see somebody for some help? Or I don't know. When every time I do some fussy cutting, oh god, die cutting, and I got the negative part. I love them. I absolutely love these papers. What do you guys think? It makes me want to start drawing, start cutting, and create another project. But no, and then I need to kind of like push myself into, no, you start this and you finish this. So literally guys, just die cut some flowers, and I have used some grey cardstock, some really nice deep burgundy cardstock. And what I wanted to do, and I got here some piles, so this one goes here. So to do some layering, I got some grey ones as well, so we might going to do something like that. But also what I want to do is decorate them with, put a button at the, in the middle. I want them to feel like, do you know when you play, what's that word, felt, with some felt scraps and fabric that you get that stitching. That's kind of the idea. And I'm going to put a little button in the middle. So yeah, I'm just going to glue them like that. I might have some spare actually. Oh no, I don't. So that's that. And then we do the same with, I might just do that there. With this one here, look how pretty this will look like. I have used, those ones are a net. I think there's like 10 of them. So there are some teeny tiny one, and then it goes like bigger. And this was a duo. I can't remember what brand is it, that literally like die cut one that you can layer them like what I just showed you, those two. So this is a set. But again, you can use any heart shape or anything, doesn't have to be heart. But I thought for Mother's Day, I don't know if I like this, it's a bit plain. We can do some hearts. So why not? So first of all, guys, I'm just going to glue them all like that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let me show you. That's the small hearts. Just going to give a quick tour. Oh, love them. I mean, you can lift them like that and use them as an embellishment. Another color that will work with this is teal, pink, or baby blue. Like a little, if you have like really light turquoise cardstock, but I want something quite dramatic, hence why I have used, that's the biggest heart. That's why I have used the burgundy and the grey, because they will, I think the contrast is quite dramatic. Love that. That's probably one of my fave. Not rock science, guys. You just layer them one another. So I ravaged through my drawers of embellishment, and I found these angels, little cupids, I guess. So I'm going to do a couple with these. But do you think they look Christmassy? I don't think so. So I'm gonna do 2 of those with that. I'm gonna do a grey and a burgundy. Then, so this is what was in my head. Now, I just don't know what colour will I choose. Pink. I mean, they're too small. What you can do if you have patience, which I don't have, is to actually put the thread through the paper, actually do like a cross stitch. Might do that. I might do that. White, little star. Yeah, I might do 2 like that. Oh, I like the blue one. No, maybe on the grey one. Just make grey one. Like that. Oh, yes. Yeah, we're going to do that there. Am I in shot? Yeah. So that's that. Put that out of the way. And what I saw, where are they? Oh, here. But I don't know if they're going to be too big. To put on the bottom of the heart a little chain. So I might do that there. I have 2, so I might do 2. Yeah, I don't know why. I think it seems to make things in pairs. Don't know why, but so let's do a grey one and a purple one like that. And so that's that. Is anything else interesting in here? I do like this dramatic, gigantic diamond, but I don't know if they will be a bit too, what's the word? No, random. Yeah, that's the right word. Random. No, guys, I think I'm just going to do these then. But I'm hoping I've given you some ideas to go through your embellishment. You see, these are my Christmas. Oh god, nearly. My Christmas embellishments. You've got some trees, some stars. What have I got here? No, I'm not feeling it. Mind you, the stars, they don't really shout Christmas, don't they? I think we can have some license, some poetic, creative license. I think I'm gonna do 2 with the stars, you know. And who cares? Rebel. Right, cool. Ta-da! No, I'm gonna make them and be right back. Okay, finished. So that's the 2 angels one. I love them. Do you guys think they shout Christmas? I don't really think so. Love them. Then what you can do, you can put a little hole in there and just hang them as well, if you don't want to use on your page or on your cards. I absolutely love them. I'm really pleased with this. What I could do, really, going with my wax and distress them, but I kind of like the fact that it's white. No, I'm gonna leave them. Then I have tried. So that's my attempt. I had a really nice silver thread. That's my sewing box. Woolly Steph on YouTube made this beautiful watercolor doodling, so I put it on my sewing box. If you don't know Woolly Steph, I'm sure you do, but if you don't, Woolly Steph on YouTube. I love that. I have tried, but this is my sewing skills. So that's the front and that is the back. So I am sure that you guys will do a better job than what I did, because you are more capable that I have gift from whatever the person that is gifting you these amazing sewing skills. Unfortunately, I don't, and that is the result. I have tried, but I failed miserably. And highlight the word miserably. It's a shame, because I think if you do it properly, you know what you're doing. It is quite a nice effect, especially if you do the same thread as on the cardstock. But no, not for me, thanks. But let me show you the one with the charms. I think they are quite pretty. So I simply did a little hole, put a little ring, and that is that. There is one in grey with a little star, and that's the 2 big ones with the star, with the sun, sorry. Quite like it. They will make amazing bookmarks as well, if you do, or even like hidden paper clips, so you can put it use as a bookmark. And this is the one with the button. See, still the glue, because the glue needs to dry, but that is kind of the mood. That's the original idea I was going for, and then I just come out with those ones here. Okay, before we go, I just want to say a big thank you to the lovely Sari. She left a really lovely comment. Sari is very active on my YouTube channel. She always leave a comment in every video, so I appreciate you, Sari, and all of you guys that take the time to leave a comment on my video. And that is really important, because you show me your love, and I really truly appreciate that. And also you're telling YouTube that you like my video, because the more comments a video gets, YouTube will just push it out. So thank you for that, guys. It really means the world to me. I hope I gave you some ideas and some inspiration. There is going to be a Friday freebie with this paper kit. It's called Romantic Paints, and I will put the link down below if you guys wish to support me and buy this kit. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, guess what you need to do? Ta-da! thumbs up. It really helps. It helps the channel, helps the video, helps myself, helps Jamie. Everybody's happy. It's a little gesture to say to YouTube that you like what I made. Okay guys, honestly, if you like the video, appreciate a little thumbs up. Also, I made, can't remember now, a few good months ago, some heart embellishments with some pockets on it. Very similar project to this, but of course, they were pockets so you can stuff things inside. I will put the link somewhere here on the screen. So what you just need to do, if you're watching from an iPhone or an iPad, just click on the picture. It will take you straight into the video. Okay guys, thank you so much. I'll see you on Friday for another Friday freebie. Enjoy the rest of the day or night, depends what time you're watching, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.